Bulgogi.
Hello everyone! It's nice to see you again. Do you like 80 foods? That's nice to hear. This time we will learn about bulgogi. Look at the picture. The beef on the plate is bulgogi. A lot of sesame seeds are in it. Now let's begin class. First, we will study words.
Sauce. Sauces are thick liquids we serve with other food. We dip food into a sauce. What is your favorite sauce for hot dogs? What is your favorite sauce for beef? Oil. The thing in the round dish is oil. Oil is a smooth and thick liquid. It's made from plants, such as beans, olives, corn, and so on. It is often used for cooking.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Sauce. Oil.
Now it's time to read. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what bulgogi is? It's thinly sliced beef. We add many ingredients to the beef. Soy sauce and sesame oil are two of the ingredients. We eat bulgogi with rice and some side dishes. The vegetables in the picture are side dishes. Usually there are more side dishes served with bulgogi. You see a fork and a spoon in the picture. But people also use chopsticks to grip bulgogi.
What is an ingredient in bulgogi? Rice oil. Soy sauce. What do we eat with bulgogi? Bread. Rice.
Bulgogi is a sweet beef dish. Have you ever eaten bulgogi? If you have, where did you eat it? I had some in a restaurant. That's all for now. Goodbye.